Oh my goodness. I guess that's why there's no one here. I should have changed my path. I'll be going in this very cycling track that I wanted to go for a very long time, and here it is. So let me show you. This is the one. So this is the cycling track that I have been thinking to track on. This is the condition of it right now. Let's see how far can we enjoy this thing, how much hurdle can we face. Here it is, cycling track of Bathinda, well maintained. Oh, it's not only a cycle track, there comes a motored cycle engine, very shaky. As you can see, people are I should confront them, I guess, but the view is nice alongside the canal. It's a nice spot. So as you can see, I don't have horn to let him move aside. Uncle ji, dekhna ek baar. Yes. So there are people. This is the very first and I hope the last time I'll be riding in this cycle track. Just a second. Excuse me, uncle ji. Uncle ji, एक सेकंड साइड दियो हल्का सा, धन्यवाद. So lot of fun. It's not even totally plain, I would say. I hope if this video reaches this administration of Bathinda, they should really do something about it, because the plants have taken over, and I am from botany, so I would say these are some real outsiders that needs to be taken care of. Look at this. Overall, if I have to say, then it's also good after some point of time, because it is, oh my bad, I could have just, so alongside the canal it's a very pretty view, and early in the morning it feels really well. Oh, there was a sign that this belongs to the cycling track. Oh, people are doing yoga as well. Indeed it is. So this is where the cycling track ends. Again we will enter the next phase of it. This is is the connecting link road. Here we go again. This feels better. Lovely, 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 lovely. So beautiful, so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I guess that's why there's no one here. I should have changed my path. Or let's explore. Sorry. Till where can I go in this cycling track? I don't know what's wrong with the crankset. Most of the time it's silent when I'm not recording. The moment I start recording, it also needs its voice to be heard. So far I would say not good, but yes, no one around, and as you can see, the greenery that's there is also a good one. Still, if I believe if tomorrow the administration does something about this, it will be worth coming for every day, I guess. I can take risk because I have tubeless tires, but still can't take enough risk. Oh, the road has vanished, I guess. It's all sand, nothing else. People might be thinking, see, oh, this is not a road anymore. I believe it's not a road. I cannot even see the tire marks as in motorcycle and anyone else. So people don't prefer this path, but as you can see ahead, it is clear. There is some visibility on the road, but not much. The greenery is a little bit something that can be enjoyed. As you can see. I don't know if you are able to see it, but this is not something that one would expect from a cycling track. Okay. Can't blame, because it has been situated near this canal, so they should have kept some much more precautions so that this sand didn't, just come in contact. Most likely I would say it is itself a mixed terrain where a cyclist can endure his road bike through. Look at it. But yes, positivity is everything. If I have to say, then I would say it was a good one, because we are almost coming near to the end of this segment of this cycling track, and as you can see, you can enjoy this greenery. If again there's any segment of it, then I believe I might not be exploring that one, because I'm done for. My patience has given out. So yes. Oh, I believe there's not another one, I guess. Indeed. But yes, alongside the canal was a beautiful ride, and I hope someone does something about it. Okay, there's this link where in between the cycling track and the main road. Now we have entered the main road, so we'll be much more cautious. And yes, let's put the on and let's slide. So here we are, we have arrived at Lake Bhatinda. Let's look at it. What a view. What a view. We are the gigantic and yes, as you can see, it's very beautiful. What did I found? Haveli Nawab. This is what it is. Haveli Nawab. Okay. So it's 35 kilometers. Shit. Sat Sri Akal ji. And here we are again. See, the lovely part about cycling in this part of Punjab is the greenery and weather. Okay, I should not consider weather as a thing because it's not pretty comfortable in here. But yes, early mornings are so we have done 50 kilometers and it feels a little bit exhausting given the weather has changed and yes, the views are scenic, but again, as the view is mostly on my left is rural and I'm cycling on a national highway, so yes, it feels a different kind of an experience, I would say. And here it is. Also, as the weather has changed, so we will be rerouting and we will be switching on to going back to the university. So what a lovely view it is. But yes, as the weather is not considerate, we'll be taking our time before it gets too sunny and the temperature rises. As you can see, still the wind is with us, but it's not with us because it is going in the very opposite direction. So again, move forward. Sat Sri Akal ji. So we have entered the rural section. As you can see, the roads, and it is not very common because most of the villages here have decent roads, and as you can feel, I don't know if you can feel it or not, but the wind is blowing totally against our where we are heading, so it feels very difficult. And yet again, oh my goodness, see what a view. They have these solar implants as well here. Sustainable and green energy. Now we are near a railway crossing, and I guess the train is yet to come. Let's see. In this section we have the canopies, and this is one of a section that I love riding. See how beautiful it feels and how beautiful it is. Lovely. Hey, 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 hey. The wind and see how significantly it has reduced the average from 24 to 22. Pedal, 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 pedal. Hey, 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 hey. So there's one more plus point in cycling. You know, most of the time you explore places, okay, because you have your road bike, you have your cycle, whatever. You explore, you get to know the nearby places, and if you're staying somewhere for around 4 or 5 years, then I believe that one should know the nearby villages, districts, their distance, so as to navigate yourself or someone else who might be in need. Personally, I believe see the farm life. You can capture the urban part of it. Ooh. Hey, hey, hey. Yes. So here we are back in the campus, and that's a total of 65 kilometers. And such traffic in the university has grown lately. It is a very vibrant path towards the hostel, and again it was a lovely ride. So here we are in the university, the academic block, and currently I am at more than the speed limit. Yes, it feels relaxing when you are home. It sure does. What an amazing ride it was. Many more to go. Now I will be doing a stunt. I'll be for Saturdays. It is a day for the very first weekend for the scholars, Saturday and Sunday, and I would not presume it to be a very permanent one because most of the time we are also busy in the lab doing our experiments. But yes, if I have a free one, if I have a day off, I devote it to my physical activities, things that I wanted to do. First of all, like buying a road bike, cycling on the longer runs,